Re-upload, re-upload, re-upload. Just you can become rich very quickly by re-uploading on YouTube. You can also become poor very quickly. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Mr. Mamuru. In today's video, I will tell to you what is re-upload, how to re-upload. Can you really earn lot of money by re-uploading? Re-upload is upload a one video. That means upload a video repeatedly is called re-uploading. However, there are some difference in the case of all this video. Video with high RPM mainly needs for re-uploading purpose. For example, content from US, New Zealand, Netherlands, Belgium and Australia. We all know that the revenue of this country is very high. To re-upload, you must have a YouTube channel with channel moderation. And if that channel is a camera content, then it is a even better. Re-uploading is not easy as it sounds, but it is very risky work. Let's now take a look at a re-uploading channel. Friends, this is my YouTube channel where I have done re-uploading work. I have been re-uploading on this channel 11 days. And as you can see, I have earned $1.8K. When you are taking off re-uploading a channel, the growth of that channel should be good. And it is best if that channel has many long videos. Will re-upload, you must keep your channel private. Cannot contact YouTube in any way. Because whenever YouTube says your channel may be not be monetized. Otherwise, your channel will be suspended. Re-upload is not for everyone. Those who have lot of money can invest in re-uploading. Many of us do re-uploading and many of us do through buyer in other countries rather than doing it ourselves. However, after from re-uploading, there is another medium through which you can earn a lot of money from YouTube, which is YouTube automation. If you want a video about YouTube automation, then definitely comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Actually, it is true that to get something, you have to lose something. So thank you everyone watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.